Hey everyone, let's dive right into this explainer. Imagine, just for a second, actually stepping away from your desk this summer, grabbing a cold drink, and knowing your lead qualification, your appointment booking, and all those endless customer follow-ups are just happening, seamlessly, in the background. Well, that's exactly the promise of HighLevel's massive Summer of AI promotion, running all the way through August 31st, 2026. But look, to truly capitalize on an offer this huge without tripping over usage limits or getting hit with surprise billing, you're going to need a game plan. So today, consider me your personal guide. We're going to unpack the ultimate insider's playbook to navigating this AI rollout so you can literally let AI do the heavy lifting while you maximize that agency revenue.
Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. 1. The Summer of AI offer. 2. Activating your free tools. 3. Navigating the agent trial. 4. Managing client usage limits. And 5. Rebilling and margins.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the Summer of AI offer. All right, what's really wild here is that these 5 incredibly powerful tools, Ask AI, AI Studio, Workflow AI, Funnel AI, and Email AI, are completely free for every single paid sub-account all summer long, and that's regardless of your current usage. Think about it. Ask AI is basically your intelligent assistant. AI Studio lets you build out those super advanced automations. Workflow and Funnel AI totally speed up your platform building. And Email AI, it handles crafting your messaging. Whether you've been a customer for years or you're literally upgrading from a 14-day free trial right now, the second you are on a paid plan, all 5 of these tools unlock immediately. No waiting.
Now, you really need to be aware of 2 very different clocks running during this promo. On one side, those 5 core tools we just talked about, they run completely free all summer. No ticking countdown whatsoever. But on the flip side, your premium agents, like Conversation AI and Voice AI, those operate on a strict 30-day trial clock. Understanding this separation is absolutely crucial so you don't end up wasting your free access.
Moving right along to Section 2, activating your free tools.
Let's translate this from SaaS speak into actual strategy. To get in on this, first off, you got to be on a paid plan. So if you're hanging out on a free 14-day trial, you'll need to end it early and convert. Next up, you're going to hit a billing setup screen. Do not panic. You do have to put a card on file. It's just a system requirement to activate AI features, but don't worry, you absolutely won't be charged during the promotional window. And finally, just remember that tools like AI Studio aren't just magically turned on everywhere by default. You actually have to go in and activate them for each specific sub-account you want to use them in.
The big takeaway right here is that you can safely activate those 5 basic tools across all your sub-accounts today without ever triggering the countdown for the premium AI agents. The 30-day clock for your specialized 24/7 AI team only starts the exact moment you hit activate on Conversation AI or Voice AI for a sub-account, so you have total 100% control over when that clock starts ticking.
Which brings us to Section 3, navigating the agent trial.
Look closely at these rules, folks. To be eligible for this 30-day free ride, a specific sub-account must not have been actively using those AI agents between March 1st and May 31st, 2026. If they're clear of that look-back window, they are good to go. But listen, you've got to be highly intentional here because you only get one opportunity to opt in those eligible sub-accounts. That means you need to sit down and plan out exactly which clients get this premium access and exactly when you're going to launch it to maximize their results. It's a real strategic play.
Oh man, here is a fantastic strategic insight straight from the documentation. 60 days. That's right, if you go ahead and select the $50 AI Employee Growth Plan or the $97 Unlimited Plan right at the end of your 30-day trial, you instantly unlock another 30 free days. That brings your grand total to up to 60 days of premium AI agent access before you ever pay a single dime. If you don't select a plan, you just roll into standard pay-per-use billing. So taking action here literally buys you an entire extra month of free runway. It's a total no-brainer.
All right, on to Section 4, managing client usage limits. So understanding these limits is vital because it really explains the difference between usage included in your monthly fee versus falling back to paying for token cost interactions. On that $50 growth plan, features like Ask AI and AI Studio operate on what they call a 5-hour rolling window. If you hit the limit, the account gets throttled for the rest of that specific window. But hey, as a quick pro tip, if you upgrade to the $97 employee plan, you actually get 3 times that allocation before any throttling kicks in. Pretty awesome, right? The sheer amount of control this gives you as an agency owner is just incredible. For starters, your clients will literally never see token counts or dollar amounts. It's totally invisible to them. You can go in and set a hard maximum spending limit, say $100 a month per sub-account. And you can even break that down further to specific dollar limits per user within that sub-account. It completely empowers you to put hard caps on your financial exposure, all while maintaining this awesome illusion of infinite AI magic for your clients.
Finally, let's hit Section 5, rebilling and margins. Let's take a look at how this all stacks up across the different high-level tiers. If you're on the $97 plan, you actually can't rebill AI usage. Stepping up to the $297 plan, you can pass the usage costs along to your clients, but only exactly at cost. But wow, the $497 plan, that is the ultimate profit engine. It allows you to mark up those AI usage costs by up to 10 times. So think about it. Your clients are happily paying for the incredible convenience and power of the AI, and you are capturing that massive, massive margin right in the middle.
I mean, just look at this brilliant testimonial from Billy Jean. It reminds us exactly why navigating these margins is 100% worth your time. He deployed voice AI to make 800 calls, which yielded 190 leads and turned into $40,000 in sales. Real businesses are generating massive revenue without even lifting a finger, completely automating their frontline communication. Let me tell you, when your clients start seeing results anywhere close to this, they are not going to blink an eye at the usage costs you're rebilling them.
Plus, to make it even sweeter, HighLevel has actually gamified this entire process. By converting your sub-accounts to active $50 or $97 AI employee plans before the summer ends, your agency automatically earns points. And those points, they put you directly in the running to win a share of a $100,000 cash prize pool across multiple divisions, complete with weekly raffles for Apple products along the way. Honestly, the earlier you activate, the more monthly scoring periods you accumulate points for, so you don't want to drag your feet on this.
Well, we have covered a whole lot of ground today in this explainer, with completely free tools running all the way until August 31st, strategically timed 30-day agent trials, invisible usage limits, and up to a 10x markup capability right at your fingertips. The table is truly set. The only real question left is, are you ready to flip the switch, let AI run the floor, and absolutely transform your agency's margins this summer? Thanks so much for joining me to break this all down. See you next time.